Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beena. Today's video I'll be showing how to make a very tasty bread pudding. This is slightly different from my usual style of bread pudding. I'm going to add some more ingredients into this. This is very simple to make and a quick dessert recipe. If you have some leftover bread, we can use that. Otherwise, we can use some fresh white bread or milk bread to prepare this. So let's see how to make this delicious and simple dessert. Here I have taken 6 slices of milk bread. I am trimming the sides of the bread. Let's cut the edges of the bread slices. Now I am going to cut them into small pieces. We need to grind this to make breadcrumbs out of this. Cutting the bread slices into small pieces and adding into a blender jar. Breadcrumbs are ready. Transferring this into a mixing bowl. Here I am using 1 glass of warm milk. I have added 1 tablespoon of sugar into this. Mix well. To make a pudding batter, I am adding little by little into the breadcrumbs what we prepared now. Mix well. I have used just 1 tablespoon of sugar to mix with the breadcrumbs because we are going to give a topping of caramel syrup for this pudding. So that will give enough sweetness for this. Here I am using a quarter cup of finely grated carrots and quarter cup of chocolate chips to add along with this bread pudding. Adding this into the pudding batter and mixing it well. This is totally optional. If you want to make a plain bread pudding, you can do like that. But it tastes nice. Kids are going to love this. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into this, which will enhance the flavor of our pudding. Let it rest for some time. Meanwhile, we can prepare some caramel syrup. During that time, breadcrumbs will absorb all the moisture from the milk and it will be all ready to get cooked. Here I have taken a pan, adding half a cup of sugar into this. Let's prepare caramel syrup for our pudding. Stir it continuously in a medium flame. Adding just 2 tablespoons of water in between, mixing it well. Caramel syrup is getting ready. See, the color has slightly turning into brown. Once it is ready, straight away transfer this into the pudding tray, otherwise this will get stick to the bottom of the pan. So our caramel syrup is ready. Let's transfer straight away this into the pudding tray. Do not allow the caramel syrup to cool down. We need to transfer this into the pudding tray when it is extremely hot. If you feel that how to clean the pan in which you prepared caramel syrup, don't worry. Fill enough water into the pan. Leave it for 10 minutes. Caramel will start to melt after some time. Then it will be easy to clean. Now we can add this prepared pudding mixture into this. And I'm going to steam cook this for 25 minutes. Covering this with an aluminium foil and make enough holes here and there so that the steam forming inside the pudding can easily go through the holes. Using a knife, I am making holes all over the aluminium foil so that our pudding will not be wet. I am going to steam cook this one. I have taken enough water in a kadai. Place this pudding tray here. Cover this up with a lid and steam cook for 25 minutes. I have checked this after 25 minutes, so our pudding is ready. Allow this to cool down for a while. Using a knife, we can release the edges of the pudding so that it will be easy to remove from the pudding tray. Serving it on a plate. So our chocolate flavored caramel bread pudding is ready here. It tastes so yummy. Kids are going to love this. Finally, decorating with some more chocolate chips. Hope you like this recipe. If you like it, do not forget to click the like button. So until next video, bye bye.